Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty EduTech. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a fake background to your video using the CapCut app, just the CapCut app, not the pro version of the app. Before I proceed, go ahead and like this video. Your liking this video will enable the algorithm to push this video to get a wider audience. Now, I'm going to minimize this window so that I can download the background I want to use for this video. I'll be doing that using the Pinterest app. So I'll click on the Pinterest app. Turn off, purposely turned off the data because I don't want to copy into this. Now the search button here. Inside the search box, just type in the background. And it narrow it down to the type of background you want to use for your video. Yeah, the green background, the green background, doesn't have to find that. Just type in where you search that type of background. Then click on the one you want to use. To download the image, click on this three dot here, then click on download image. Then I'm going to minimize my screen, then come to CapCut app. Give it a few minutes to load the image. I'm going to watch the background right, select this as imported app, then click on app, CapCut. Then I'm going to expand this background so it will be of the same length. Do that, I'm going to highlight the video selected. Then I'm going to click on this end of the video, hold it down and then drag, highlight, then hold it down and then drag, right? Be of the same length. The video is about 1 minute 20 seconds. So I'm holding it down to just 1 minute 20 seconds. Click 1 minute. Then next I'm going to do is export the video I want to use for this video. So I'll click on the overlay there, click on add overlay, then click on video, then go to the setting, try to select the video I want to use. Then use this video. Now I'm going to scroll through the beginning of the video to the end to get at the video for the same size pattern. I want it to be selected, so I'm holding down. That's simply drag it. Okay, they are now of the same length. So I'll scroll back. So I'm going to go back, then click on aspect ratio, click on 16.9. This is the exact aspect ratio for YouTube video. Then I'm going to highlight the video, minimize it so as to differentiate between the video and the background. Then I'm going to scroll through. Let me highlight the video. Then I'm scroll through to where I have remove background option. That's remove background option, auto remover. Now the background is no longer, has been removed. So I'm going to click on the video again. I click on this tick sign. Now click on the video. I'm going to expand the video to fit into the same frame with the background, the downloaded background. Then after that, I'm going to go to effects, scroll through to effects to blur the video, to blur the background so that it will not be obvious that I'm using a fake background. So I'll click on video effects. I'll scroll through the effects option to select the blur option. I'm gently doing that so that I don't pass the blur option. That's the blur option. I'll click on this tick sign to enable that. Now I'll highlight this one below and delete it so that the blur option will be applied only on the background and not the video. Then I'm going to click on it again, click on video effects, then scroll through to where I have the blur option. That's the blur option. I'll click on it again to adjust. Then I'll take the meter back to 5. Then I'll click on the static sign, then highlight this one below and delete it so that the blur option will be on the background and not the video. Then, having done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to screen record this video. That's to download this, what I've just done. I've successfully changed the background of this video using the ordinary CapCut app, not the pro version of the app. So to download, since I'm not using to download it, I will screen record the video. I'm going to screen record the video. To screen record the video, you turn on the screen record app on your device if your phone came with one. If your phone doesn't have one, you just download one and then screen record. Then play and screen record. I'm not going to wait to do that, so I'll just pause the video here. Then I'll close the video here. Then you can go ahead. That's the video here. Go ahead and delete it. Click on this delete option to delete it. Then I'm going to import the video I just screen recorded, the video I screen grabbed. That's video here. I'll click on add here. Then I'll highlight the video and then scroll through to where I have transform. That's transform here. Click on resize. Click on 16.9. So I'm going to drag the video down to fit into this frame. Then I'll click on this, drag it down, fit it into the frame. Then I'll click on this action. If you don't want to go further, you can just stop at just downloading the video. But I just want to sharpen the video. That's why I'm doing this. Then I'll go back and move, click on effects. I'm trying to add more other effects to the video. That's why I'm doing this. But you can just stop at the download option on the changing of background option. That is just the only thing you want to do. Now I want to sharpen the video, so I will scroll through to where I have filter. Let me go back. Effects, video effects. Let me use the nature effect. That's the nature effect. I'm looking for the nature effect. Nature effect. You can still sharpen the video if you want. I'm trying to do that. Let me go back. Click on transform. Click on effect. That's the effect option. I can't find the sharpen effect. But that's just how to download the video. That's just how to change the background of your video. Then you can still sharpen it or still add other effects to the video if you wish to do that. Follow us on Facebook if you have not followed us on Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that to get more value from our tutorials. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode of our educational series. Bye bye.